Good morning, everybody. Today we are headed up to Dragon's Tooth. We meaning Durwood and I. And Mr. Jimmy has been kind enough to slack pack us today. It's going to be a 16-mile day, and it is still snowing, just snow flurries, and the wind is supposed to be up to 40-mile-an-hour gusts. So good thing that we're getting the slack pack, because that's just that much less weight we have to get blown over with. But we're getting her done. Tomorrow is going to be Mcaffe Knob. Anybody that knows anything about the trail knows that that's the most photographed spot on the AT. We are looking forward to that. The weather forecast is very good. Doesn't mean it's going to be, but the forecast is good. So we're pretty excited about that. We're going to get up there as early as we can in the morning. And it being a Wednesday, hopefully it won't be too crowded. But today we're plugging through. When we get up to Dragon's Tooth, it's going to be fun. I understand there's some pretty tough rocks to climb. Some rebar we got to go down, and looking forward to that challenge. So, having a great time still out here on the AT, and just middle of April, waiting for the snow to go away and the weather to turn for us. And I know it will, one day. But keeping my chin up and putting one foot in front of the other. That's the way we do it. All right. BT out for now. More from Dragon's Tooth. I'll give you a little idea. You can see that snow on the ground. Those are little pellets. I don't know if that's sleet or snow or hail. I'm not even sure anymore. It's just ice coming from the sky. All right, man. BT out. All right, everybody. There's the white blaze. And there is our trip up to Dragon's Tooth. It's going to be hand over hand, it looks like, so the trekking poles are going in the bag. You ready to do this, Durwood?
I'm ready.
You ready? All right. All right, another great view. It would be cool to have one of those houses down there and live in this environment. Might not be close to anything, though. All right, coming up on Dragon's Tooth. Look at that valley. Hand is freezing. All right, so this is apparently the highlight of the day. This is Dragon's Tooth. That is pretty amazing. I'm gonna walk out here to the view, or to a view. Further than this, that's for sure. And that's the tooth. All right, let's go around here. Pretty cool. We'll walk up and look around and see if there's some more stuff to see. All right, so Durwood is braving it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to let him do it. Going up to the top of the tooth. I bet it's cold. You know what? I might. Nice view. Coming down off of Dragon's Tooth. We got another amazing view here, and that actually is the Four Pines Hostel down there. Right there. I'm shaking it around. My, what a difference a few hours makes. Right now the sun is out, it's warming up, and I'm crossing this incredibly beautiful stream. It is no longer snowing, sleeting, or hailing, and we are done with Dragon's Tooth, finishing out the day, headed up to the Mcaffe Knob parking lot. That's going to be our finish point for the day. So far, other than the cold, the wind, and the snow, it has been a good day, although cold and wind and snow is something that I'm getting used to. So this is the walk along the creek bed here. It's really nice. Just love the sound of that flowing water. All right. Great day. All right, well, as the water flows along, hold on, I gotta get this situated. Walk down this serene, nice creek bed. Go ahead and talk a little bit about people you meet on the trail. You know, you're almost like, you know, it's almost like high school football when you get to meet the people that you're going to be hiking around for a good portion of time. You know, in football, you become a band of brothers, kind of, because you're all going through the same experiences. You know, beating on each other in practice, and you know, going through the grueling heat of the summer, spring in Florida at least, and you become friends with those people. A lot of them lifetime friends, all because of the camaraderie that you gain from I guess it's part of being a team, maybe, I'm not sure, but you know, it's a little bit like that out here the same way. We're all taking all the steps, going through the pain, going through the climbs, going through the descents, and you know, you kind of become a team and grow a camaraderie-ship, I don't even know if that's a word, with the people you're hiking around. And when you lose one, either from injury, you know, they just mentally blow up, or they're faster or slower than you. You know, it's like you know, losing touch with a friend sometimes. And you know, I already know that I've gained out here several friends for life, even though I may not be hiking with them now. You know, the time that I spent with them is invaluable, and you get to know each other quickly, and especially if you're hiking with them, and you know, you're sharing a motel room with them, you're eating with them, you're basically living with them, kind of like being at spring football camp. So it's weird how you can build these bonds and relationships so quickly with people from all over the United States and all over the world. But I say weird in a good way. But that's part of what, you know, I'm enjoying, rather than rant about something again, which, you know, I hate, I really got to stop doing that, but just say some of the positive stuff that comes out of this stuff is friends for life. So, oh, look at that. Hope I can get that. So that's what I'm talking about today. McAfee Knob is tomorrow, and we are going to have a great day weather-wise, I hope. I mean, it has cleared up this afternoon. I'm excited about that. And tomorrow is supposed to be even better. So the trail didn't provide a great weather day for Dragon's Tooth, but it's going to provide one for McAfee Knob tomorrow. So I'll talk a little bit more before I pack it in tonight, unless I see some great views in these last 4 or 5 miles that I got left. All right, PTF. There's a nice little view. If it was about 100 degrees warmer, I might go lay down in that water.